Today how to create a video stored properties and stored properties in Swift. Today how to create a video stored properties in Swift. What is stored properties? Property associated values with property class structure in a class and structure. Stored property store constant and variable value are on a part of instance. Var this is a variable instance and let is a constant instance, and that property will not calculate another property is called stored property. That property will not calculate another property is called stored property. Will not calculate another property is called stored. So we can see this example. We can use stored property. So first of all, we can create a structure struct. We can create a name student. We can create a stored property var first name, which is type of string, and this is a let constant last name, which is type of string. Two stored property. This is a var variable property and constant property. Variable, this is a change property, and let is a constant property, not change. So we can use we can create an object our structure student var obj equal to student. We can have an initializer. Stored property use a initializer. Stored property use a initializer. That property will not calculate another property is called stored property. We can first name, this is a hello, and second name is Swift. Hello Swift. We can print statement. So object dot first name comma object dot last name. We can print hello Swift. We can print hello Swift. This is the first name and last name. So we can use stored property. Stored property will not calculate another property is called stored property, and we can use of initializers stored property. Thank you for watching this video.